Hello guys, it's Speedy Sonic Lord again with another video, and today I'm going to play Road to Granby's and I'm doing a Joust Hammer battle with my friend. So say hello.
Yeah, here with my Joust Hammer.
I'm going to spawn in mine in a few seconds.
Alright, let's do this.
And I better not get disconnected. Hopefully it's the right one. It is. Well guys, let's begin. Are you all ready?
Alright, who will win this battle? Tell us in the comments below.
Yep. Now let's begin. Now, let's do this.
Time. Up, you win this one. Up, you win. You win. Alright, let's do this.
Now let's get our Joust Hammers and prepare for round 2.
This is the wrong Joust Hammer. Updated Joust Hammer.
Now let's prepare for round 2. Am I still in the game?
Hold up.
Wait.
Yeah. Yes.
Hopefully I'm not disconnected.
Let's do this.
You got it?
Hold up, I'm getting my Joust Hammer. Got it.
Now let's begin.
Like my updated Joust Hammer?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Frozen.
You will not.
It's frozen. Uh-oh. Oh no.
No! Hold up, did you just get disconnected? Where are you? Okay.
I'm right here. And he won.
Wait, I died too!
So it was a tie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's begin.
You did not see that coming. Like my new updated. I just killed myself.
Alright, join. Roblox Sonic, get your Joust Hammer.
Okay, let's. Alright, 3, 2, 1, die.
That's kind of heartless.
You have no idea what. You guys have no idea what's coming for him.
Where are you?
No!
Ha! I win. Like always. One more round before the video ends.
Alright, I just deleted my old Joust Hammer.
That isn't stuck to the ground. About my Joust Hammer.
Whoever wins this round will choose the next group. Let's do this.
Let's go. Oh,
where are you? Where are you?
I'm right behind. I won! Well, that's all for today, folks. See you in the next video. Bye.